Hi students, intermediate, first year, English medium. In this video, I am going to analyze the national income. What is the national income? What are the concepts of national income? Are the discussing topic in this video. So here, national income analysis. It is a 7th unit or 7th lesson. National income analysis. National income. What is the definition of national income first of all? National income is nothing but the national product. National product and national income both are synonyms. Means product is a conversion into the income. So that's why the final stage is income. You can say national income or national product also. But generally the product is a conversion to the final value means income. So that's why we can say national income. So in the national income, the total value of all final goods and services producing the total population of the country is called the national income. Once again, the aggregative value of or the total value of all final goods and services value producing in a total population of the country is called the national income or national production. Here, try to understand. Here, two words are very important words. One is goods and services. Goods value, services value, goods plus services value is equal to national income. Simple and try to understand. Goods value, services value. For example, economy is divided into three sectors: agriculture, industrial, service. Simple. Any economy, if it is a developed country or developing countries, any economy is divided into three sectors. Sector-wise distribution. Agriculture sector, we get goods from agriculture sector. After farming the agriculture, we get some goods or agriculture products. It is called in the form of goods. We get the goods from agriculture first, and also we get the goods from industrial sector also. Suppose a person is there, he is producing in the industrial sector. In the evening, he gets some product. Product in the form of goods. Means agriculture, industrial sector, both are gives us the goods. But the service sector, we can't produce the goods. Only it is the services. Services means it is income. The service sector can provide only the service facilities. We can't produce the goods. Yet, let me say, agriculture goods value, for example, goods means 100 quintals. Industrial sector is also 100 goods. Each quinta will carry, suppose 10 rupees equal to 1000 rupees. Simple. What is the agricultural value? 1000. What is the industrial value? 100 quintals into equal to 100 quantity into 10 is equal to, suppose 20. It is taken 20. It is 1000 here, 2000. But the income is always in the terms of cash. So for example, income is 3000. Okay. Let me say, what is the goods value? What is the goods? So, goods sector, 10,000, 1000, 2000, total 3000. Okay, this is goods value. Services value means 3000, total 6000. Once again, here mentioned, what is the goods value? 3000. Services value 3000. Total value 6000. 6000 is the gross national income. So how we can obtain the national income? By adding the goods and services value. The total value 6,000 is the total value, aggregative value of goods value and services value. We get the national income or gross national income or gross national product. Okay, so it is a national income. And the third word is there, it is a final goods. What is the final good? Final good means the goods will not change into the another stage. That is called final good. For example, see here, what is it? Cotton change into yarn, change into thread, change into cloth. Cotton, yarn, thread and cloths. So the cloth is the final stage. The cloth is the final stage. So that's why we have to take the final good. Why sir? Why should we take the final good? To avoid the double counting of national income. So for example, if you take the cotton and cloth will be calculated 2 times. So when the 2 times will be calculated of national income, it will be doubled. So due to the avoid the double counting of national income, we take in the final goods value, final services value. Once again, let me say the definition of the national income. The total value of, the aggregative value of all final goods value and services value is called the national income, and which is produced by the total population of the country. What is the national income? The income which is produced by the total population of the country. Suppose 6,000 is there. The 6,000 is the production which is produced by the total population of the country during a particular year. Okay na? So it is a national income. It is a definition of national income, nothing but the national product. National product. Then concepts of national income. So various concepts are there in the national income. Here, first one is gross national product. Say here we said the product and here income. The product is conversion into the income. So that's why the final stage is income. Here the gross national product or market price, GNP market price. So the total value of, once again, the total value of all final goods and services value which is produced with the total population of the country is called the national income. National income or product. For example, here GNP at market prices is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus E. C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C means consumption, I means investment, and G means government expenditure or government goods. X means exports, M means imports. For example, 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 20 minus 5. 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 70 plus 90, 90 plus 5, 85. The 85 is the GNP. So, consumption goods, consume goods value is 20. I, investment 30, G, government goods or government expenditure 20, X 20, M minus M 5. So, the minus means we have to pay the income to the other countries. So, that's why we keep the minus. Minus means our income is sent to the other countries by importing. Now, when we imported the foreign goods, so we have to give the money. So that's why minus M. So when we calculate C plus I plus G plus X minus M, we get the national product. Okay, C plus I plus G plus X minus M. The first one, definition. Then GNP at factor cost. GNP at factor cost NNP market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. GNP at factor cost means indirect taxes minus subsidies. For example, factor cost is there. Factor cost means to produce the goods and services here. To produce the goods and services, we need the 4 factors of production. Suppose land, labor, capital and organization. Land 1 rupee, labor 1, capital 1, organization 1. So how much? 4 rupees. To produce the goods and services, the expenditure is 4 rupees. Okay, na? It is a factor cost. The factor cost is 4 rupees. To produce the goods and services, it is a 4 rupees. Plus the government tax is 2 rupees. 4 is factor cost. 2 is government tax. So the 6 rupees is market value. The 6 is market value. Then how can we get the factors of productions? Market value minus taxes. We get the 4. Market value is 6 rupees. And what included in the market price? Taxes. So we get the factor pricing. So it's the same. Factor pricing. Where is factor pricing? Market price minus indirect taxes. Indirect taxes plus subsidies should be added. Subsidies. Subsidies means so the government should provide more and more income. Income means it is a what we say, subsidy facilities. It is a low cost to purchase of any goods and services. The government can provide the helping facilities to purchase that commodities. It is a subsidy. So plus subsidies. This is a factor pricing at GNP. Then GDP. GNP, this is a GDP, gross domestic production. The income or production which is produced in the boundaries of the country is called GDP. GNP means the globe in the country, globe in the world is called GNP. Throughout the world, within the boundaries of the country is called GDP, domestic product. Domestic here. For example, here GNP at market price minus what do you say? This is a GDP is equal to GNP minus net income earned from abroad. So net income from abroad, that should be minus. So here C plus, I plus, G plus, that's it. No X minus M. If we include the X minus M, it will become GNP. See here. If we deduct the X minus M, it will become GDP. So what is the difference? X minus M, exports and imports. So no exports, no imports. It is GDP, D domestic. GDP. Okay now. So gross domestic product. This is GDP is equal to GNP minus net income from abroad. Then net national product, NNP, GNP minus depreciation. See, this is GNP. NNP at market price is GNP minus depreciation. It is a net national product at market price. NNP, GNP, NNP, GDP, NDP. Then net national product market cost. So net factor cost is equal to NNP market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Okay. Then personal income. Personal income means the income that the income which is earned by a individual person is called per head income, personal income. The income which is earned by each and every person, the income is called personal income. So personal income is equal to national income at factor cost minus undistributed corporate profits will be there. Undistributed corporate profits are there. So that should be minus and corporate taxes minus social security and transfer payments. Transfer payments means this is also one of the amount transfer payment. It is released by the government. So without any participation of economic activities. So government ఫ్రీగా ఇస్తుంది. ఎలాంటి డబ్బులు, ఎలాంటి ప్రతిఫలం ఆశించకుండా, ఎలాంటి వాటిని ఏమంటాం, అడగకుండా అమౌంట్ ఇస్తుంది. పెన్షన్స్ కావచ్చు అవునా, తర్వాత నిరుద్యోగ భృతి కావచ్చు అవునా. సో ఇలాంటివన్నీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ పేమెంట్ కిందకి వస్తాయి. సో కార్పొరేట్ ట్యాక్సెస్ మైనస్ సోషల్ సెక్యూరిటీ ప్లస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ పేమెంట్స్. దెన్ డిస్పోజబుల్ ఇన్కమ్ డిఐ, ద ఇన్కమ్ విచ్ ఈస్ రెడీ ఫర్ స్పెండింగ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ డిస్పోజబుల్ ఇన్కమ్. The income which is ready for spending after deduction of personal taxes, the income ready to expenditure. It is a disposable income, per capita personal income, direct taxes, DI, consumption plus saving. Okay, personal income, consumption plus saving. Okay, personal income minus direct taxes. So this is the first formula, or consumption plus saving. Okay, so this is a disposable income. And moreover, per capita income is there. What is the per capita income? Per head income. Per head income means what is a per capita income is equal to national income by total population. National income by total population. What is the national income? For example, 5,000 is the national income. What is the total population for 1,000? For example, 1,000. Okay, so is equal to, the result is the per capita income, per head income. Okay, so this is the national income, concepts of national income. So viewers, this is the way of the presentation of various concepts of national income. Thank you.